Well, good morning. Hello there.
Hello.
You ready to go eat some breakfast?
You looking at your keys?
Yeah. Mama's got her new Spirit jersey on with the snacks.
So me and Cadence are going to match later.
Mm-hmm. Because we're going to eat all the snacks today. There's your creepy Jack in the Box, big girl, and the ballerina.
It's even worse at night.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, hello.
You want to go see some Toy Story? So we got us some good breakfast. And now we got to go see the...
on my face.
Y'all hadn't got to see the Toy Story section of the hotel.
I know.
Even though it's a value resort, it is still impressive. Mm-hmm. Now, you did just go to Toy Story Land yesterday, so it might not be as overwhelmingly intricate, but it still is awesome. Look, it's our sea car. What you think? So I'm just chewing on my hand.
So check the setting on your phone now before you begin your safari.
Piggy!
I'm blinded right now. There we go.
Really? Grab it.
Bienvenidos a Kilimanjaro Safaris. Para su seguridad, permanezcan sentados y mantengan las manos, brazos, pies, piernas dentro del vehículo.
To our left is the okapi to your right. Oh, not only an okapi over here, there's actually a baby okapi. It's down there in the bottom left-hand corner. Get a better look here in a few moments. But very interesting animals. Of course, these black and white stripes in the legs, they do look a little bit like zebra, but they are not related to the zebra. The okapi is the only living relative of the giraffe. They share a lot of similar bone structure to the giraffe, as well as a prehensile tongue. That is a black. I think the coolest thing about them is you can tell the difference between a male and a female based on their eye color. Males have black eyes, while females have yellow eyes. Now, this hippo is also snoozing. They are nocturnal animals. They are more active at night times. They in the sun. You can see a couple right down by the waterfall there. Very cool. And just coming around the river bend. Oh yeah, that is the Nile crocodile, the largest crocodilian species in Africa. Now this is the Hartman's mountain zebra. They are a subspecies or type of zebra. They get their name because they are found in mountainous regions. Now they'd be pretty great climbers as well. Now so you can spot the babies. Not too long ago we had not one but two babies join us out here. Pretty exciting time. Like we said, some of these animals are endangered, so seeing their babies means those populations are rising. About moving around, this is one of the most successful predators in Africa. Compared to lions with a 15% success rate when they hunt, the painted dog has a 90% success rate. They are incredible at hunting. See these amazing horns. How they slant backwards. That is going to help protect their backs from predators like lions, hyenas, or even those painted dogs who are jumping onto them. In a giraffic jam. Now she is veered off to the left. But she is actually pretty infamous out here. You won't guess what for. For standing in the road. She actually has a whole episode of Magic at Disney's Animal Kingdom on Disney Plus about her, titled Giraffic Jam. She's pretty amazing. really showing off. Other times joining other males to form a bachelor group. That is a male-exclusive group of elephants. Take a look at those ears. Now those ears tell us a lot of things. You can see they're kind of in the shape of Africa, so pretty fun way for us to identify them. You can see how he's flapping his ears. He's kind of banning at the age of 2. It's from something called beta carotene. Beta carotene is a pig. There are 3 cheetah laying right here. So you can see the 2 of them are together. And closer to this red rock, there's another one snoozing in the shade. Higher temperatures today, we do find the animals to sleep more. It's their way of. The warthog is also known as Puma, of course. They are the largest burrowing animals. They dig these holes of their own. Some baby right there. So the warthog takes care of them here. In turn, they supply the warthog with milk and cheese. That makes for a pretty positive relationship. Serves as a great reminder that we truly can live in harmony and live successfully with the wildlife around us.
Did you have fun at Animal Kingdom?
Yeah, you see her like nod. Yeah.
You ready to go to Epcot and eat all the
snacks? You eat some popcorn.
and my hand.
That's the best snack.
That's right. We got a rat patootie bus. You ready to go ride Nemo? Huh? So nope, I'm just gonna sit in my stroller. Construction too.
I'm sure we'll see him any minute now. Oh, science is great, there's so much to know. Climb aboard, explorers, it's time to go. All right, don't hurt yourself.
Oh. Gotta see you a manatee. Whoa.
What is that?
So let me at him. Let me at him. There she is.
It's Dory.
Toby. So let me grab him.
Let me eat him. Yeah, it does not look like it should be real. Yeah. It looks like it's just right. Yeah. It's fascinating.
Yes, she is. Is this your spot?
Let's just stay here. There it is. Look, big girl.
That's so cool.
Please let us know. And then when you lift your bit of the scale, you'll apply.
Taking her a good nap.
We almost did it today, but we were already in line for one and we didn't.
that funny? You wanna ride the train? You can see the Flower and Garden Festival banners on the light post, just like they are here, and they'll change them out for every festival. Cool as that? Kick him, big girl, kick him! Yay! You dancing? Dance! Woohoo! You got your sunglasses on? Huh? You look cute. Here we go. Ready?
Whoa!
Alright, we're gonna go this way. Alright, this is gonna be Big Girl's last ride of the trip.
Y cuide a los pequeñitos. Gracias.
Yeah, the big thing is that
Open house. I'm Dr. Nigel Channing, Chairman of the Imagination Institute. Hello. On your tour, you'll see how the 5 human senses can help capture your imagination.
Oh, can I go too?
Absolutely not. This is one of our discoveries, the figment of imagination.
Yeah, I know all about the senses. There's sight. So, your mind sees more than what your eyes see. Your sense of sight can make your fancy fly. There's more to sight than meets the eye. Woohoo! You win 1 cent! Of course, Doc. The nose knows. Now, here's a real open house. Come on in. So, what do you think? Is it me?
More than you can imagine.
But, Doc, it's exactly what I imagined. Imagination is the brain of your house.
Imagination is just turning your thinking upside down. It's time to get back to the Institute.
I know a shortcut. Imagination is a blast!
Yay, baby!
Imagination. A dream can be a dream come true. With just that spark from me and you.
Right at the start of everything that's new. One little spark lights up for you.
All right, so I stopped recording for a long time because we got preoccupied with things, but We did end up going to Via Napoli
We did.
for dinner. We met up with some friends,
Yeah.
and it was lots of fun. We had a great time. We didn't film any of the food or anything like that because, you know,
You know, sit-down restaurant.
Right.
It's a little different.
Right. But what was your thoughts on Via Napoli?
It was great. I would give it a solid 8 out of 10.
Yeah, we were talking on the
the-
monorail ride over here. I'd give it an 8 out of 10 as well.
Yeah. We got the 4-cheese pizza.
Yep.
It was really great.
Don't ask me to pronounce it because I don't know how to pronounce it, but it had 4 cheeses on it.
Yeah.
But yeah, it was delightful. So now we monorailed over to Magic Kingdom, and we're gonna see what all we can do in an hour before the park closes.
Yep.
Let's do it.
My mom.
You're good. I'm being shaky. Hey Tyler. What you got there, bud? I got chocolate shake.
Hello.
Last ride of the trip. Hey, last ride of the trip. We got our own boat.
Saw your face. Whee!
We got our own boat.
Last ride.
Yeah.
They need a bit of persuasion, ladies. Fire at will! It's Captain Jack Sparrow around, and a fortune in gold.
Oh, it's love for me. I raise a toast.
Got your little blanket there.
I'm cozy. I'm borrowing our daughter's blanket.
All right, we're back at the resort. It was our last park day, unfortunately. Very sad. But
It was fun.
tomorrow, we will have a full day as well. I'm going down a hill because we got stairs right there, and I got a stroller.
It's off-roading.
Off-roading. But we're gonna resort hop in Disney Springs,
Yeah.
do all that kind of stuff, and so we'll still have
Come
a
back
full
and swim.
come back and swim over at the pool here at the resort. So it's gonna still be a full day, but it'll be a lot of fun.
Yeah.
So be sure to like if you like this video, subscribe so that way you can see tomorrow's video next week, and yeah, we'll see you in the next video.
See you later.